Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. If you're upgrading your home security in 2026, a smart video intercom is one of the best investments you can make. From crystal clear video and remote access to smart unlocking and two-way communication, today's systems offer much more than a traditional doorbell. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 video intercom systems of 2026. Let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the ANJIELO Metal Video Intercom System. Designed with a durable metal outdoor station, this system combines reliable wired connectivity with smart home convenience. Its 1080p camera delivers sharp video, while the impressive 160-degree viewing angle helps reduce blind spots around your front entrance. The touch monitor provides an intuitive interface, making it easy to view visitors, answer calls, and manage your front door. If you're looking for a dependable wired intercom with a wide field of view, this is a solid option. Coming in at number 4 is the WiFi Tuya Smart 7-inch Video Intercom Kit. This system offers a great balance between smart functionality and everyday convenience. Its full HD 1080p camera helps provide a clear view of visitors, while the 7-inch indoor monitor keeps everything easily accessible. One standout feature is RFID access control, allowing authorized users to unlock the entrance quickly without traditional keys. Combined with Tuya app support, homeowners can stay connected to their entrance whether they're at home or away. At number 3 is the Dahua 2MP PoE Video Intercom Door Station. Dahua is well known for its professional security solutions, and this model focuses on reliability and network-based installation. Power over Ethernet simplifies wiring by combining power and data into a single cable. Its IP65 weather-resistant design is built to withstand outdoor conditions, while remote unlock functionality adds extra convenience for homeowners and property managers. For users looking to integrate their entry system into a professional IP security setup, this model is definitely worth considering. Taking the number 2 spot is the ANJIELO Tuya Smart Video Intercom System. The standout feature here is its large 10-inch touchscreen display, providing an immersive viewing experience that's easy to use for every member of the family. The premium metal construction gives the outdoor unit a durable, high-end appearance, while Tuya Smart integration adds convenient control through compatible smart home devices. Its combination of modern design, large display, and smart functionality makes it an attractive choice for larger homes and villas. Our number 1 pick is the 2-wire Tuya Wi-Fi Video Intercom Kit. This complete system offers an excellent combination of features for homeowners seeking a modern video intercom experience. The 2-wire installation can simplify upgrades in many existing homes, while the full HD 1080p camera provides clear visitor monitoring. Available with a 7-inch or 10-inch full-touch monitor, it delivers a user-friendly interface alongside smart Tuya connectivity. With its balance of image quality, touchscreen convenience, wired stability, and smart home compatibility, this system stands out as a versatile choice for a wide range of residential applications. Those were our picks for the top 5 video intercom systems of 2026. Which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest technology and smart home reviews. Thanks for watching Global Deal Explorer. We'll see you in the next video.